Hello everybody. Today I'm accomplishing two of my firsts. My first unboxing video and my first weather station. Now this weather station is a Weatherflow Tempest. It was a Kickstarter and they just started shipping a week or so ago. Luckily I was in the, actually I was like that was the first shipments. I don't remember exactly how many they ship at a time, but it was below hundreds I was in. So I'm going to do an unboxing here and then I'll do a second video following this one for my installation, mounting and all that kind of stuff that I'll do with it. And then the third video I'll probably do say a week later to give first impressions, get an idea of how it worked, and go over maybe like the app and stuff like that once I get used to how everything works. So let's get to opening this. Now the ones that backed on Kickstarter are the first ones to get these, and I believe the second run was on Indiegogo, and they haven't started shipping the ones that were backed on there yet. So probably the people that backed on Indiegogo are probably going to be the ones probably watching this video because they want to see kind of what they're getting into since they haven't got to get it yet. And then for those of you that are getting this later, post Kickstarter, backing, all that kind of stuff, I probably not the best person to watching because I don't know a lot of details since this is my first weather station. So let's take this. Let's just flip that over like that. Much easier that way for me to get out of that box. That's a solid, pretty neat box here. Tempest Weather System. There's a picture of, I don't know if you can see it there. It's a picture on the top of what it looks like. So they say. Just lifts right off the top. Come on. Ta-da. Alright. Let's get this party started. It says so right there at the top. I don't know if it's going to focus on that. But include the box, Tempest device, standard flat base. Should probably get lower here. Alright. Alright, let's get this party started. Include the box, Tempest device, standard flat base, optional pole mount, Wi-Fi hub, USB power supply plug, USB cable. Alright, and then it gives you a Wi-Fi setup, quick start, how to get all that set up. We will go over that in my setup and mount video probably. Alright, let's... Ooh, that looks nice. Looks cool. It's a little dirty actually. A lot of dust on this thing. Have to wipe that off with a microfiber probably before I actually use it. Alright, so the wind, here's what I got so far. I'm thinking, I don't know. Remember, I've never had a weather station. This area here, I believe, is for wind. The temperature sensor is probably going to be under here with these radiant shields. I think that's what those for, to keep it from being like you know, whenever you're out in the sun versus in the shade. I think that's what those are. And then just the top here, I believe, is supposed to be for the rain sensor and things like that. I think. Like I said, I don't know. We've got on the bottom, interesting, on the bottom there's actually a 1/4 inch screw type mount, kind of like the camera has, and then a keyhole opening, I guess you can say there. The black pieces here are the solar panels for keeping it charged. Yeah. As far as I know, that's all. Well, not as far as I know. That is all I know. I will have to find everything out else myself. Alright, there's more here. So we're going to set that aside. You know what I probably should do? Take that and set that in it like that. Cool. Next thing, we've got USB adapter, I'm guessing to initially, that is a good point. Wait, okay, sorry. I was thinking of charging this, but I forgot there's also a Wi-Fi hub that goes with this. Let's see this one here. We've got, this is the mounting for the bottom. Tempest weather system. Put your pole or rod or whatever you plan on using here, and then guessing that screws in and it tightens and clamps onto whatever you use. I'm not 100% on what size. You know what? Hang on 1 second. Be right back. Alright, I'm back. 1-inch PVC pipe. Will it fit? Ooh, ouch. It will fit a 1-inch PVC pipe. Just kind of have to, yeah. So there you go. If you have any questions, then that should tighten up on that. I'm not going to sit here and tighten it up hardcore on this. I mean, that's just a random piece of pipe. I don't want to permanently attach it there, but so yeah, 1-inch PVC will work. Ugh, that noise. All right, do that. USB cable, which I'm guessing both of those go with this. Happy? Not happy. Not happy. Don't fret. Reach out and we'll be thrilled to help. Help.weatherflow.com. Or happy, share the joy. Tell us on social media @Weatherflow and #Weatherflow. There you go. So I'll probably do that once I find out if I actually like it or not. This is the Wi-Fi hub base station device. So I'm guessing after I plug it in, it'll probably emit, my guess is it'll probably emit a Wi-Fi signal which I can connect to my phone and then set it up over that. That's just my initial guess. But we'll find that out in the next video when I go to set it all up. And the rest of the packaging. Alright, so we've got the hub, the extra mounting, USB power for the hub. Now this has on the bottom, it's got, there we go, okay. Save that for the next video. Wi-Fi hub, USB power cable for that, the optional mounting for a pole, and then the device. Alright, well that's everything in this box. So check out my next video and I will get this guy mounted. I'm probably going to mount it. I've got a privacy fence. I'll probably use that. So thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Later everybody.